Welcome back to Retro Unboxing, and today we've gone all the way back to the beginning. This is without doubt the oldest box we've ever opened on the channel, the Handley Halifax B Mark III, and this particular boxing dates all the way back to 1961. And honestly, this might be one of the most iconic kits we've ever featured in Retro Unboxing. There's a real sense of history just holding the box. It's a little battered, a few scars from decades of moving around lofts, shelves and workbenches, but that almost adds to it. It feels lived in. Opening it up, and straight away, who remembers the black plastic? That alone is enough to send some people right back. It's such a distinct look, something you just don't see anymore. And the condition of the parts is actually really impressive. After all this time, they've held up incredibly well. The fuselage in particular feels like one of those pieces that probably brings back a lot of memories. You can almost picture it sat half-built on a kitchen table somewhere. Now let us know down in the comments, and without opening a can of worms, do we think it's time for a brand new Halifax tool? Because this kit has been in and out of the range since the early 60s, with its last appearance in 2014, it definitely shows its age when you start looking a bit closer. You can really see just how far Airfix has come. The level of detail here is very basic by modern standards, especially for such a large aircraft. There aren't that many parts, and certainly not many smaller or more intricate pieces. It's almost surprising how simple it is for something of this size. Then you get to the instructions, which look like they've had quite the journey themselves. A bit worn, slightly aged, and somehow both simple and complicated at the same time. You look at them and wonder, how did we actually build kits back then? And to round it all off, there's a classic camouflage guide on the back. No colour call-out applications, no step-by-step painting systems, just a diagram and a bit of confidence. A true piece of Airfix history, and a reminder of just how much the hobby has evolved over the years. Thank you so much for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another episode of Retro Unboxing.